Hi everyone, Alex here. Welcome back to my workshop. Today I'm planning to do the pour on this table. And for this, I'm gonna be using the Craft Resin.
I started by calculating the amount of resin needed for the initial pour. For the base layer, I required a total of 15 kilograms of resin mix. The next step was securing the wood inside the mold, making sure it wouldn't shift during the pour. Then it was time to measure out the correct proportion. In this case, 10 kilograms of epoxy resin and 5 kilograms of hardener. Once everything was weighted, I moved on to mixing. Make sure you mix thoroughly for at least 3 minutes, scraping the sides and the bottom of the bucket regularly to avoid any unmixed resin sticking to the edges. Now for the colorants. I went with an electric blue mica powder. Since I was aiming for high opacity finish, I used a generous amount. Mix the pigment into the resin for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's completely uniform. Finally, it's time to pour. Lift the bucket steadily and pour the mix into your mold with care.
That's it. The base pour has been done. As many bubbles raised to the surface, and it's time to blow them off. That's it, it's all done for today, and now I'm gonna have to wait for the base pour to fully cure before I'm going to add the top clear layer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm Alex from Blueprint Woodcraft. Happy crafting!